Palm Beach County, March 16, 2025. 2 women, 1 relationship, and a call that started as a fight and ended as a felony. Deputies rolled up on 2 separate 911 calls, a car accident on one side of the street, a screaming match on the other. The real story was in the second call. A woman says her girlfriend of 4 years just threatened to kill her and her kids. Not hurt her, kill her. She said it more than once. In Florida, a threat like that isn't just an insult. Under Florida statute 784.1, it's assault, a threat, the apparent ability to carry it out, and real fear that it's about to happen. 1 misdemeanor charge, but it's the charge that gets everything else moving.
Who called us? Okay. I have 2 different calls here?
Everybody called.
Are both parties involved?
No, we not.
Okay, give us 1 second.
No, they involved with something else.
Okay, what's going on?
Oh, my old lady feel like she don't have to take me home. Really?
Okay.
My old lady feel like she don't have to take me home. You probably need to deal with them more than you need to deal with us.
Okay, are you gonna take her home?
Yeah, she needs to. She needs to take me home.
You don't understand.
Okay, I can't force her.
Doing all that down yelling.
She gonna
can't
take me
force
home.
her.
She just told all these people all type of stuff that
Ma'am,
she
look at me.
definitely out my house.
Ma'am,
All
she gonna
types
take me
of
home.
Okay, she takes you home.
I give you a hug.
No, we can't do that.
No, I know I can and cannot. I know that.
Yeah. All right, so you guys are good?
Yeah, we hella straight.
Okay.
Right.
Yeah, she need to take me home.
You're not coming home.
I don't have to go to your house.
All right, you have an accident. All right, 301. There's 2 different calls here. There's an accident and then there's a disturbance.
So what? If you like all my kids?
Hey, come on.
I don't give a I'm trying my best not to. Dog, we already. No, leave me
Hey,
alone.
be nice. That's not ladylike.
No, because she not.
Come on.
Man, she don't
She
love
didn't talk
me.
like that.
She don't
For
love me.
hours.
She'll tell me how she'll go f another man over me. She'll tell me how she'll love another man over
like
me, and
somebody
she
that
don't
tells
love me.
somebody that shit.
And yes, she will,
Girl,
man. I
you
don't.
schizo, just like they say.
Hey.
They say you
Hey.
a schizo. Yes,
Come
you
on.
Man, don't
are.
say
Hey,
I'm
listen.
schizophrenic.
Yeah,
Back up.
ma'am,
You're gonna
Did you
put
just
your
say
hand in
that?
my
Right?
face?
I'm saying, ma'am, you
That's
just.
what
Back
she
up
keep
now.
doing.
I'm just saying, ma'am, you touched me. Be honest, you touched me.
I did, because you don't need to get in her face. That's what you need to do.
But we always do
That's
this.
why I don't want to
Ma'am,
ride
we
with her.
always do
You're
this.
under the influence. I can smell the alcohol on you. Okay?
Ma'am,
Where's your
I'm
ID?
influenced,
Let me see your ID.
man.
Let me see your ID.
Yeah, man.
Okay, listen, you're fine. Let me see your ID.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
can give you my ID,
Let me see your
ma'am.
ID.
You need to go look at
Okay, I'm
them.
not dealing with that. I'm dealing with this.
Ma'am,
Okay? Let me
ma'am,
see your
and you
ID.
know what? I don't give
Let
a.
me see yours too.
I don't give a. Ma'am,
Okay.
I don't give a.
Relax. Relax.
I don't give a.
Ain't
Put
nobody
too
saying
much
that
Ma'am,
to you.
back up.
I've
Come
been
on,
doing
hey.
too much for you,
Ma'am,
man.
Hey, listen.
Don't worry about
Back
do
up.
shit.
Back up.
You
Hey, back up.
Man, I've been.
Girl,
I need you to go.
That's what I
Come on.
told you.
Come
You
with
don't
me.
need me to
Come
do
here.
shit.
I need you to come over here.
Like a dog.
Man, all that.
Hey,
Ma'am.
You don't want to go to jail. Come on.
Leave me the fuck alone.
Why are you going to be like this?
I don't give a.
Relax.
I don't give a.
a carbon for her. Hey, told me I was dreaming that I was gonna get killed.
What's going on?
It's gonna be you. No, I don't know. This is just drugs and her emotions.
Okay, I'm asking you why. What's going on?
She would not shut up, dog. She keep yelling. She cursing. She been acting a fool since 5th Street.
Girl right there in the white blue jeans?
Yeah, the wash them jeans.
Okay.
Yeah.
So,
And then you see how she was doing her.
okay.
Like I saw this swing, like I'm shaking, like bro, sir, I've been doing good for a long time. You know what I'm saying? I just came back to Orlando
Okay.
with my kids, and I ain't spent no time on it. So I was like, okay, I gotta take the rental car back, but it's too late. So I let them charge my car. I'll chill with you. I don't take her nowhere. This is why. This is the only time this shit happened.
Okay, listen.
And then we are moving out. So
ma'am.
while I was gone, she was cleaning my house for me.
What's
She
your name?
showed everybody pictures of the kids' room. You know the boys' room was messed up.
Hey, what's your name?
That's embarrassing.
What's your last name?
My name is.
Okay, I'm Deputy. Okay, Miss. Listen.
Bro, like,
So do you know this person then?
man, yes.
I don't know. That's
Yes,
what I'm asking.
yes.
Okay.
yes.
So did you guys come here together?
Yes.
You brought her up here?
She came up here with me. She already started over there on 1st Street. We was okay. But once I don't know what she was chugging, once she started chugging, and that's fine.
And who is she to you? Family? Friend?
That's my ex-girlfriend. We off and on bullshit. And look,
Okay.
my brother just told me I had a dream that was gonna kill me. I said I'll kill that first.
Okay.
You got me fucked up.
Okay, listen. Okay.
You was not gonna touch me, you demon. No, you just how she did that. The police lady.
Okay.
She don't care.
Ma'am, listen.
I was trying to be calm, but look how I'm shaking. Okay, I'm shaking. Come on,
So,
man.
listen. So
I've
just,
been doing so good for years.
okay, well, listen.
If I strike,
let's
it's
mess
not
it
gonna
up.
be good.
Let's not mess it up tonight.
Okay.
Okay? You've been doing good. Let's keep doing good.
But she thought she named all my kids down the road, tell what she gonna do, and talk about she helped clean my kids' room. So what? That's no boys.
So, listen.
It was more than that.
Just,
so I'm listening.
Okay, just
I'm
walk
trying
me.
to find
So,
life.
you guys were on 45th hanging out.
Yeah.
Why were you coming here?
I was coming here to get away from there because that's my comfort zone, and she was embarrassing me.
Okay, so.
And everybody was like, "You need to just go."
Were you coming to the arcade? Is that where you were going?
Yeah, I just wanted to play a match because I ain't get to have too much fun. And I let the kids out for it.
I understand.
So I wanted to chill, and she was at my house.
She was at your house?
She was at my house cleaning up because we moving out.
Okay.
So that was something she said she'll do for me. That's why. So when I came back, I just felt I wanted to chill because I go to work tomorrow.
Okay.
After tonight, that's it. Work, move. I got a lot of stuff to do. I can't. Are you serious? You putting this shit on me now? Okay. You know what I'm going through. Okay, not just that. We was on 45th Street. She was calling out everybody. If you go over there, you'll see a big crowd. It's terrible over there.
Okay.
But
so you guys came here. Did you guys fight? Did you guys get into a fight?
A physical fight?
Like a physical fight, or were you just arguing?
We was arguing. We done been in fights before. And I'm trying not to fight.
You're trying not to fight. I get it.
And I'm like them people rent a car.
So you didn't fight tonight. No physical. It was just turned into an argument.
It turned into an argument.
Is that when my sergeant showed up? Was when you guys were arguing? Is that when she showed
I
up?
mean, she pushed and shoved me, but it's like I'm not driving with you like that.
I think they're uninvolved with this.
Yeah, I think something happened.
That's like I think it's a 4.
I gotta find my lighter. Like, I'm done with that shit. I got 10 kids and 9 grandchildren.
So you're saying
this is ugly. Bad enough, you know what I'm saying? She been around here calling me dice and all that stuff.
Are you saying she did put her hands on you? Are you saying that?
This girl don't threaten me. It doesn't matter.
On the side, or? I don't know. She kind of made a comment about pushing, but I'm trying to.
That's all we did, because she did like this in my face, like chill.
So, okay.
Because we done had fights before.
She got up in your face and you put your hand on her
if you chat, you will see, like, so it's my fault that I always try to be nice and take her back. Like,
so you're saying the only pushing was she got in your face and you were like, get out of my face?
Yes, but
it wasn't like you attacked her and she didn't attack you.
No, I'm talking about it's the threats. And I know her. I know what I have been through with her.
That's why I'm asking you certain questions, because I need to know exactly what happened, okay?
Okay. No, she just loud commotion, getting attention,
so no
embarrassing me.
She got up in her face and she's like, get out of my face.
Yes, a lot of threatening. She just threw my phone. I hope that still worked. My 15 Pro that I'm barely done paying for. Like, she cries out, she a demon, talk about threatening my family. Come on, I'm tired of you keep doing that. Not just that, she just embarrassing me to everybody. I was gonna take her home. I don't want to drive with her like that. I was gonna take her home. I don't want to drive with her like that. Y'all can take her to the shelter. That's why I was taking her.
I don't know what to say. What was, when you said threats, what kind of threats did she make towards you?
Everybody heard her. The girl was saying she'll kill me. Just kept screaming it. Okay. That's how I was like, that's what made me like, all right, you tripping.
Were you in fear she was going to hurt you?
I done been there, done that. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Were you in fear when she was
But nobody ever...
Were you in fear when she was approaching you and getting in your face?
Dog, you should have... My bad saying, dog. I've been around my kids
okay.
a lot.
Were you in fear that she was going to hurt you?
Yeah, dog, I don't know what the... I ain't never seen her like that, only, but I know she been drinking.
But were you
but
in
she
fear
was
she
on
was
some
going to hurt you?
the demon time. Yeah. You not hear what I said, sir? Kill me, not hurt me, kill me.
Okay.
So and my kid, she went down the road. Like, are you serious? And then when the lady trying to tell her to stop, the lady...
What he's trying to ask you is, when she made those statements, were you in fear that she was going to try to harm you?
That's why I jumped out the car. It's like, I'm finna call 911.
Okay, so you were
yes, because the way she was crying and looking at me, like, what the heck?
Okay. Just hang out right here for a second.
Oh, yeah.
I know everything good.
You're intoxicated, that's the problem.
I'm not intoxicated.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not. I'm drinking. I'm not intoxicated. Trust me. Excuse me, I'm drinking. I know I'm smoking. Everything gonna be good.
Okay.
Yeah, trust me.
Do we have any,
No, it's nothing.
I have no idea yet.
Okay.
Minus the fact that she
What do we
just
have?
wants to get in her face and start screaming and saying she wants to kick her
It
ass.
wasn't even for us.
assault or no?
It wasn't even for us.
I
It
didn't get
was
a chance
for
to
somebody
get
else.
with this half because this one just kept coming after her.
Okay.
She kept coming after me.
Who?
She was coming
No,
after
she
me.
wasn't. I watched it. Everything's on body cam.
So I was coming after her?
Well, yeah, you kept getting in her face. She tried to separate herself.
How? no, I ain't worried about that. I'm very cooperative. It's nothing. Like, for real. She gonna take me home. It's
She was gonna?
She's going to take me home.
Is that your friend?
That's my girlfriend.
That's your girlfriend?
Yeah.
Okay,
And she say she my
assault
girlfriend
on it,
sometimes. And she say she not my girlfriend. Like,
Okay, how long have you guys been dating?
4 years.
4 years? And you guys are currently dating?
Yeah.
With the expectation of sexual intimacy?
Yes.
Okay. Did you see an assault?
Not yet.
No,
I mean,
not
just
at
the fact
all.
of her being in her face, but I don't know what this means.
No, she came in my face, and you ain't see that because you was over there dealing with them. That's what I'm saying. Like, bro, like, come on, man. I don't even care. I love the entertainment.
Huh? This was, I guess, over the rental.
It's
car.
entertainment.
I have no idea.
It's entertainment. I'm sorry.
You're good. You're good. We're
I'm
going to figure
sorry.
out what's going on until we can get out of here.
I'm sorry. I give my ID. Y'all doing some stupid shit. Y'all over here looking at us for no reason.
Oh, because you guys are acting like a fool.
No, because she don't care about me.
Oh, well, I mean,
That's what I'm saying.
some of
That's
the
why I
things that
said-
you're saying to her, I wouldn't care about you either, unfortunately. I
What
mean,
you
said
mean?
some bad things to her.
What? You don't understand what she said to me.
I'm
It don't
telling you
even
what I'm
matter.
hearing.
It don't even care. I don't
Okay.
even care. I don't even care. I don't even care.
Where's
I
the
don't
shelter
even
at?
I don't care.
Okay.
For real. She gonna take me.
She doesn't want to.
No, she gonna take me.
Okay.
For real. For real.
Just wait. Let them figure it out.
Nah, ain't no why I gotta wait. I don't have to wait long.
No, stay over here.
What you mean?
Stay over here.
Why?
Because you're not going over there. We're trying to figure out what's going on. Okay?
Why? You got other shit to worry about.
Yeah, this right here.
You didn't come over here for
Yeah,
this.
oh, yeah, we did.
No, you didn't.
Okay,
Your
okay.
first intentions
Now,
was not.
Get out of the road before we get hit by a car. Come on.
You're not going over there. Go
Hey,
back to the car.
let's go.
Go
You're
back
not.
to the car.
Hey, man, don't
Hey.
Go back
touch
to the
me.
car. Go back to the car.
Hey, please, okay.
Okay, please go back to the car.
Please don't touch me.
Did you see her get in this girl's face? Yeah. Okay. Did it meet the elements of assault? She said she was saying to kill her, and that
I
she
didn't
was in
hear
her
any of
face.
that. I didn't hear any of that.
But was she in her face?
She was in her face, yes.
Okay. Was she?
But she didn't make
Okay.
any statements. Hey, you got to back up. You're not going over there.
Not going over there.
You're not going to go over there.
Watch you jump out of the car.
Put your hand on.
Put your hands behind your back and stop moving.
You're not going to put your hands on anybody.
No.
It's underneath me.
Deputies split the two women up. Almost immediately, the stories start pulling apart. She says it was just an argument. Her girlfriend says it was a lot more than that. And in the middle of it, alcohol. Deputies can smell it before they ask a single question. 4 years together. Currently dating. By her own admission, an intimate relationship. That detail matters. It's what turns this into a domestic case, not just a bar fight. Deputies go looking for a witness who actually saw it happen. What they get back is confirmation, but not much certainty. The girlfriend was in her face. Everyone agrees on that. Whether the kill threats actually happened is harder to pin down from a crowd of people who had all been drinking. But one thing isn't in dispute. The fear was real enough that the alleged victim jumped out of a moving vehicle to get away. Deputies decide they have heard enough. It's time to take her into custody. That's when the night gets worse. For the next several minutes, she does not stop.
Hey, why y'all doing so much?
Stop moving.
What you mean stop moving? Y'all moving me. Hey, look. Hey, come on.
You got alcohol in her back pocket.
Check her back pocket. She has alcohol in her back pocket.
Put your feet.
Hey, why you doing so much? Hey, why you doing so much?
You want to put your hands on a deputy? It's not going to work like that.
I ain't touched nobody.
Okay.
Hey, stop touching me, man. Hey, stop touching me, man. Hey, y'all touching me, and I got my video on. Hey, so what y'all taking me for? Hey, man, what are y'all touching me like? That's so much, man. Why you touching
Nothing
me?
on you.
Hey, y'all taking me for what?
Let me get that pocket.
Hey, what are y'all taking me?
Figure it out in a second.
No, y'all Look, I need my money. Nah, y'all funny. Hey man, you taking my money for what?
I don't want your money.
That's what I'm saying. So what if y'all doing?
It's going in the bag. Don't worry about it.
So what the f y'all taking me for? What are y'all taking me for?
What are you doing?
Man, so what the f y'all doing? Man, no, look, hey, I'm telling y'all.
Doesn't have to take you home now.
No, man, what the f y'all mean? Man. Hey, bro, stop touching me like that. Man, y'all gonna take me out the shelter and all that shit stuff.
You're gonna be at the Bradshaw Hotel.
No, what the f y'all mean?
It's free.
Shelter tonight.
What you mean? Man, bro, you taking off my thing, bro. Man, stop grabbing on me like that.
Get him.
No, bro.
Get
What
it.
the f y'all mean?
Put your leg in.
Put your foot
No, bro, I ain't do nothing.
in the car.
No, I ain't do nothing. I ain't do nothing. I ain't do nothing. Man, I ain't do nothing. Man, I ain't do nothing. Man, no, I ain't do nothing.
You better put your feet in, or it's gonna get
No,
real
I ain't do
It's gonna get real
nothing.
uncomfortable if you don't put
I ain't-
Can you hit my back camera too?
No, don't take the back camera. No.
Take the leg off.
No. No, I ain't do nothing. No, I ain't do nothing. No, I ain't do nothing.
Ready?
No,
Don't kick.
no, I ain't do nothing. No,
Watch your face this way.
no.
You got it?
No.
Stop resisting.
No, I ain't do nothing. What the f did I do? No, I ain't do nothing. No.
Stop resisting.
No, I ain't do nothing.
Get your foot in.
I ain't do nothing. No. I ain't do nothing.
Careful.
No, ain't no careful.
You got it?
Lift her up in
By the time deputies get her into the car, she has added a second charge to the first, resisting arrest without violence, and a third. Under Florida Statute 78407, battery on a law enforcement officer isn't a misdemeanor. It's a felony the moment contact is made during a lawful arrest. 3 charges, 1 night, up to 11 years in prison and $11,000 in fines combined. Deputies get a B+. They separated the 2 women fast and asked the one question that actually mattered, how long the relationship had lasted and whether it was still active. She gets an F. 1 threat became 3 charges the moment she decided fighting the handcuffs was a better plan than fighting the case in court. The lesson here isn't the threat. It's the 10 seconds after it. In Florida, resisting can turn a misdemeanor night into a felony record every time. If you want more body cam breakdowns like this one, subscribe. We post every week. Drop a comment. Was this a domestic case or something else? See you in the next one.